In this video, I'll be doing a review on Beat browser, and at the same time, I'll be showing you how to set it up. This wonderful anti-detect browser has very, very unique loads of features, which I'll be showing you in this video. Now, the first thing you need to do is to go straight to the description below and click on the description below. When you click on the description below, you'll be brought to this page. You'll be taken straight to this page. And mind you, by clicking the description below, you'll be given 40% off the actual price of this particular anti-detect browser. You'll be given 40% off. So go ahead and click on the link in the description so that you'll be getting the bonus that comes with this particular browser. So now the first thing we need to do is to try to sign up. Click on the sign up button. Click on the sign up button and it will bring you to this section. So when you get to this section, what you need to do is to go ahead and sign up. Now, the best way to go about your sign up is to go ahead and click on Google. Click on Google. Google sign up. Then you select the email which you used to register on the platform and you wait for it to load. Now, can you see? Now, when you click on sign up, it will automatically take you straight into the app. So what you need to do, you can close this. Okay, sorry. You can close out this. Close this one also. Yeah, then you can accept this terms. Now, can you see it? So now it's going to load you in. It's going to load into your account. Can you see it? So at the same time, if you also need to install the browser. You need to install the browser. So all you need to do is to come to download here. Can you see download? Come to download. So when you come to download, you see different operating systems. So you have to select the one that goes with your own device. So if it is Windows, you click on Windows. You click on Windows, you click on download. Click on download. Can you see different version? You go for the latest version, and download into your device. Then it's automatically download into your device. So it's as simple as that. So when you download it and install it, this is what you get. This is what you get after installing and downloading. This is what you get. Now, this is the interface of the app. This is the app interface of the Beat browser. Now, let me quickly walk you through this particular section. Now, the first thing you need to understand here, note here, is the profile section. Now, this is where you get to add your various profile. So let's quickly set up a profile from here. Then we'll go ahead and set up the phone profile also. So you click on the browser profile. When you click on the browser profile, you click on add. Click on add. So when you click on add, you see all the setup here. From the name, you can decide to give it a name. And decide to give it a name. Let's just give it test. Let's name this one test. Let's name it tests. Yeah, let's just name it test. So after that, you leave the tag, you can leave the group, platform. Under the platform, you can select any of the platform you wish to target with it. Let's say you want to target Facebook. So I'll select Facebook. And after that, the username and password. Now, this one is necessary if you want to encrypt your profile. If you have other people using your device and you don't want them to have access to your profile, you can encrypt it. So after that, you can just go down. If you have cookies is necessary if you want to add extra history. If you want to add history, populate the history of your browser before you start going ahead to your target. So now let's quickly get here. This is where you're coming to proxy. So now this section, what you need to do is to come to type. Make sure this one is in custom. Then you come to type. Now select the type of proxy you are using. If it is HTTP and the rest, but I'm using SOCKS5, so I'll go with SOCKS5. Then at this point, you enter the browser, the proxy that you have available. So now then quickly go password. Now when you're done with this, you go down. You can leave all the setting, except you want to do an advanced configuration, which we will still be going to later. Later on, I'll be doing a complex and advanced configuration on this. It's anti-detect browser in the long run. So now at this point, come here. This is where you select the operating system you want to use. If it is Linux, if it is Mac OS, but I'm going with Windows. So at this point, you can select the type of Windows you're using, the kind of OS. Let me go with Windows 11. At this point, you can come here and select the type of browser. Let me go with 146. So after that, you can leave the rest the way they are. Leave the rest the way they are. So what next? So leave the rest the way they are. So now this is where you come to the fingerprint section. So you can configure this one the way you want. If you find them, you configure them the way you want them to be. Then you now click on confirm. Click on confirm. Now, mind you, at the section also, there's a place where you can easily test, your proxy out also. There's a place where you can test your proxy out also. You go down, you will see, can you see? Check proxy. You can easily test your proxy here in case, just to be sure. Can you see? So it's confirmed already. So now what you need to do after this is to click on open. You click on open. So you allow it to load. Now if it's your first time of loading, this might take a little bit of time, but if it's not your first time, it will load on time. So allow it to load. So let's wait for it to load. It's asking me to log in again. Let's log in one more time. So we are in. So you click on acknowledge. You come to browser. So at this point, let's open it. Let's open the browser. Let's open the browser. Let's open the browser, then we check it out and see how it goes. Now this is it. Now it's going to give you, this is the first screen that you'll see. Now let's quickly check out this this platform. Let's check out this platform. Let's check it out. Check out the title. Let's look at this platform. So we can use it to test our proxy. As you can see, this is the proxy. Like you can see, it's very okay. It's clean. It's okay. Spectrum. Can you see? It's okay. California. It's okay. So now let's go back. Let's go back to the proxy. As you can see, this one is okay. Now let's quickly go to the next one. Let's stop it. So you can just decide to close this window. Let's close this window. Let's go to the next one, which is the phone profile. Now this phone profile also gives you the liberty to be able to run as many profiles as you want. But remember that for the browser, you have up to 10 free profiles, 10 free profiles that you can use for live, which is one of the best features of this platform, because other platform only give you like 1, 2, 3, 4, maximum of 5, but this browser gives you 10 solid profiles that you can use for live. So let's quickly look at the phone setup. Now, from the phone setup, the same thing, you click on add, you select add. Now at this point, you can also select the type of the OS you want to select, either Android 12, Android 15, or the rest. So let me go with Android 12. So from here, you can go ahead and select, give it a name if you want. Let's see, you can decide now, it comes straight to the proxy side. Now at this point, you select, this point, you can just, now this one is on source 5. You come down, you enter your proxy, enter the proxy you want to use to run your cloud phone. Then after that, you click on confirm. You click on confirm. So when you click on confirm, you are good. You're good to go. You're good to go, and you will be able to use your phone. Now, additionally, this browser come with other extra features. They come with extra features like you can easily add. This is where you can add more members to your group. You can add more members to your group from here. You can easily decide to add a member from here by clicking on this ad and filling this up and fill this up. You know, for your new member, give them whatever you want to give them. You can now indicate the role you want to give your member, your member. So you can easily tick this, then click on confirm to give them a role, to give them access or permission to everything you want them to have access to on the in the group. Then the next one is another beautiful thing about this is the extension. Now the extension in the extension that come in Bit Browser is very, very nice. They've already collated everything for you. You don't need to stress yourself. Can you see? All the old extensions are there. Everything is there. So all you need to do is just to select what you want and install. You don't need to start stressing yourself and looking for what you want. This is another added advantage that they also have over other anti-detect browsers also. Now, another thing also you should also note is this. Let's quickly go to the dashboard. Now, this synchronized system. Now, this synchronized system enable you to be able to have multiple windows. You can have multiple windows to you can manage multiple profiles at the same time on multiple windows. This is what this particular platform and this particular synchronized does for you. It enables you to have to be able to run all your profiles at the same time on the same screen, so that you can easily multitask without having to start going from one window to another. But you must have created all the profiles down before you can come here to set this up. You must have created all your profiles down before you can come here to start setting them up. Then you can have every one of them multitasking at the same time in front of the screen. So it's as simple as that. It's as simple as that. So if you come to, let's go back to the main list. Let's look at their prices. If you come here, you see their prices. And this is it. They have monthly subscription, they have quarterly, they have semi-quarter, and the rest. Now, for the monthly subscription, you can see they have free. Now, their free gives you up to 10 profiles for life. Can you see it? You can only use one member can only use it at the same time. So can you see? So it gives you access to the rest. Then you also have $10 per month. Now, this one gives access to, you can see, give access to more members. You can select the number of this thing you want. The more you go, the higher the price. So it's as beautiful as that. So you can select any amount of profile you want. When you select the amount of profile you want, it automatically changes and it gives you what you want. Then you can easily come down here and click on free trial. So yeah, so if you need more, you can easily contact the customer care, or you can easily come here and click on free trial so that they will give you the customer's package. Then they also have other plans also for you. So it's as simple as that. It's as simple as that. If you want to scale this particular platform, what you need to do is use my link below the description so that you can have access to 40% rather, 40% cut from the actual price of this particular anti-retail browser.